First of all, let me congratulate Ganesh Singh for this book and congratulate all of you for being here to encourage him for the release of this book. Question that comes up: what has army got to do with the environment? I think everybody thinks of the armed forces as people who may not be as conscious of the environment or environmental issues. Especially the army, being what it is, we roam around the whole country. We see various parts of the country, the difficult parts, the easier parts, and I think we tend to learn more about environment. We see the type of environmental protection that is needed, and we see the type of degradation that is taking place. Whether it is flora, whether it is fauna, whether it is the other environmental issues which affect the mankind. And as we look at it, I think the awareness creeps in that this is one issue, especially in our country, which needs to be flagged, which needs to be taken up, and which needs to be fought for so that the future generations can see what we are seeing. Otherwise, these are going to all disappear. So, Army on its own has had initiatives of small nature to contribute towards the environmental part. And when Ganesh Singh ji approached me when I had gone to Kota, I very happily consented to be here because I feel environment and environmental issues need to be brought to the public fora much more than what they are. And I am quite sure the book will go a long way in educating people towards things that can be done at their level. What is more important is that we do things which are available at our level. A lot of us actually look at things as to what the governments can do. I think the charity begins at home. We must start things from our side, and then only it will gather momentum, and we will go forward in ensuring that we contribute towards environmental issues as they affect nation. No nation can be safe if the environment of that nation is degraded. If our flora and fauna go away, we will be affected by all kinds of things. We are already seeing the effect of climatic changes that is taking place. We are seeing the traditional cycles that used to exist have gone away, and you get rain and flood at times of year when you are not expecting it. All because somewhere degradation of environment has taken place. Wetlands have dried down. There are lakes which existed which have dwindled. There are rivers of ours which have become dirty. A lot of money is spent on them, but somewhere where it matters, it probably doesn't reach. And if each one of us sitting here can, in our own way, raise these issues, promote what has been put down in this book, I think we will do a great deal for nation building. Once again, congratulations, and once again, thank you very much.